Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.
Hello, good day. My name is Simon Uzoma. In this video, I'll be sharing with us different types of modern kitchen design in Nigeria. Before then, click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to building, when it comes to real estate, when it comes to all types of home design. Okay, now let's move on. In today's video, I'll be showing us a different type of kitchen design. Number one, this kitchen design is the U-shaped kitchen design. It's a classic design across the globe. It is also the most popular among the kitchen design in Nigeria. Apart from being the most popular, it is also the most practical kitchen. As you can see, this kitchen is very beautiful. Check out, look, this is where the gas is, and check out other cabinets, very nice and looks so good. Number two, I have the gallery kitchen design. Check out this beautiful kitchen design. Check out how the structure, the inside. The goal of this kitchen design is to maximize space. Yes, and it's usually very effective in a small space. Okay. This kitchen design is preferred by professional chefs as it allows for maximum productivity. Check out the way this kitchen design is very nice, beautiful, wonderful, and elegant. Okay, the next one is island kitchen design. Wow, this kitchen also looks so good. The kitchen design comes into existence the moment you put on an island in your space. The island is compatible with all the above mentioned kitchen design in Nigeria. You can see, very nice, looks so good and beautiful, looks so wonderful, spacious. Look at the cabinet, the windows, very nice. Okay, the next one is G-shaped kitchen design. Okay, check out this one. This G-shaped kitchen design, you can check the drawers, the chairs, everything there. Okay, the shape design is not very common among kitchen design in Nigeria, but that is not to say it does not exist. However, it is just about adding additional storage cabinet of the U-shaped design. Okay, the next one is the farmer Nigeria kitchen style. Okay, the farmer style filled with warmth and comfort. They call the simplicity of village life, and at the same time brings a maximum of functionality and convenience to the interior. Check out the design, everything, the table, the cabinet, everything looks so simple, so calm, just like where farm is. Very nice and beautiful. Okay, now the next one is Rustic kitchen design. Okay, this one may not be the first word that comes to your mind when thinking about the kitchen. However, today the rustic simple kitchen design successfully compete with the kitchen in the classic white decoration, thanks to the excellent details made of wood, stone, bricks, different vintage cut decor element, and fine. Check out the design. Check out the how it's arranged. This one looks so lovely, so beautiful and wonderful. Okay, the next one is the art novel design style. This one has a reasonable extensive interpretation, but speaking about the modern kitchen design, we mean frameless kitchen cabinet, neat and simple furniture. Okay, the main role is played by the natural beauty of the material. Okay, you can see, very nice and beautiful, looks so good, so charming. This one is traditional cuisine. Okay, check out the traditional cuisine. This one is distinguished by this detail. It does not matter whether such kitchen is framed in the best tradition of Nigerian classic or any other culture, it will always blah blah blah. Okay, the next one is traditional style. Check out this traditional style, it looks so good. Look at the cabinet, look at the way the chair, the dining, how they put the dining, looks so good, the cups and everything. This one looks so good. Due to its flexibility, the traditional design is favorite for those who prefer both traditional and modern motif in the interior. Okay, this one is craft style. Okay, now this style appeared at the beginning of the 20th century as a response to the growth of the mass production and fuses of the Victorian era. The natural rich wood finish, built-in element, handcraft, decorative ceramic styles, good quality, simplicity continue to fascinate us. Okay, just check out this. Very nice. Looks so good and wonderful, and very nice. Now with all these design, you can easily choose one and use in your home. Okay, this one is cottage style. This one is very it just looks so good, beautiful, colorful, accent, cutting. We fill your kitchen with the comfort of country house. Okay, this is the cottage style. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is the style of the Parisian bistro. If you dream of a cup of sweet cafe, okay, why don't you add some Parisian atmosphere to the interior of your home? Now check out this. Look at the table, the windows, the cars. Everything looks so simple, so calm and beautiful. This is very good. Okay, this one is a classic design, the classic style. What does classic mean? The distinctive feature of the classic style are white or cream peach kitchen cabinets, simple architectural details, and black accents. It is easy to give this style some individuality by adding elements in the modern, traditional, or style according to one taste. You can see those ones just look so beautiful with different cabinets, different things, and just look simple. Okay, now thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I want you to subscribe to our channel and get the best you can from us. Thank you.
Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.